Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to verify Apple ID in any iPhone device while operating if it demands to enter the password of this ID, then how you will verify it. For example, here see guys, if I go in a setting of this device and click on a profile, so if I click here, see guys, on profile, what will happen? Now see guys, it's a demanding enter your password, so always while operating any app in this device, yeah, particularly in any device of course, if you're having the similar problem, then just you need to enter the password. So once again I will have to enter here the password, so let's try here. So see guys, I'm going to enter here now. So it's saying that open the setting to continue sign in with there. Of course I will go in a setting, and after coming the setting, of course once again I will go password and security, and here